isa pang inaabangan, in February
February
ito
7.
namang pag-lapse ng 1 year no, sa impeachment ni Vice President Sara Duterte. You think there's still appetite among your colleagues na ituloy yung impeachment ulitin?
But I think the more important question is ano na ho yung nangyari sa Korte Suprema. Kasi, syempre, there's a motion for reconsideration na medyo matagal na ho inaantay, no?
Yeah.
Ng lahat ng mga kababayan po natin. So hopefully, pagpasok po ng Fed, na-resolve na po yan. Kasi syempre, I don't think we would want to talk about any impeachment moves at this point kung hindi ho ma-resolve pa muna ng Korte Suprema yung pong motion for reconsideration po na ito. But syempre, hindi naman ho natin na mautusan po yung Korte Suprema sa bagay po na ito. But so, I guess as soon as we reach Feb, on that date kung pwede na hong mag-restart na impeachment proceedings against Vice President Sara Duterte. So siguro mag-uusap-usap po muli yung mga miyembro po ng Kongreso, civil society, kung ano po yung gagawin po nila. Kasi I don't think nagbago naman po yung mga batayan ng impeachment. Ang nagbago lang po talaga yung pong mga bagong rekisito ng Korte Suprema para po mag-impeach. No? So we will see how it will go. So I think kung wala akong MR, I think Congress will still do what it has done in the past. No, kasi syempre hindi pa ho doctrinal yung pong MR, yung decision po on that case, no. But assuming for example na the MR is not favorable to the House, syempre talagang we are supposed to commit to implement that particular new doctrine on the impeachment.
Mm-hmm. Pero sir, if the MR is unresolved by February 7, do you think your colleagues will take a risk and go for impeachment kahit hindi pa malinaw ang mga batayan at patakaran? Kasi baka mamaya sumabit na naman dun sa
You're challenging the rules.
Mukhang mag-govern dyan yung Supreme Court.
Existing
yung Supreme Court.
yung existing decision.
Yeah.
And I'm asking by that
Hindi
time.
pa final yung sa yung sa Supreme Court. So pwede pang mag-run yung rules na dati, di ba?
Yeah, pagka hindi nagka-MR, pagka hindi pa na-issue yung MR, pwede hong the House can insist on its old rules and continue on with how we have done it before.
Yeah,
No, but again,
if the
I think,
Supreme
but to be
Court
very
rules,
clear,
if the Supreme Court affirms its decision
Yes.
after the next filing complaint, that's another 1-year ban.
well, whether they move or not, you know, the impeachment has never been a question of procedure or technicalities. It has always been a question of truth and justice on the use of confidential funds. Hindi ba? So, however it will be on Feb, tingnan na lang po natin how it will be. Kasi, ano naman ho yan para there are many ways to basically skin the cat.
Skin the cat.
So, we will worry about that when we reach that point.